How to download and install uTorrent on PC or laptop on Windows. So if you want to download and install the uTorrent on your PC or laptop, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And once you're here on the browser, you just need to simply search for uTorrent, and then here you will have www.utorrent.com. Simply click on that, and here you will have an option of free download. So if you want to download and install this, then you just need to simply go with free download, which is right here, and then you can simply choose the versions. So simply go with free download, and here it says that thank you for downloading. So you just need to simply go with downloads, which is on the upper right, and then you just need to simply open that file, and here you need to double click on it and go with yes. Now you need to go with next, and it will start installing. So agree with the license agreement by clicking on this agree, which is here on the bottom right, and then go with accept. Wait for some time, and that's it. Your installation has been completed. Go with finish, and that's it. That's how you can download your uTorrent on your PC or your laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.